I got a couple requests. Some of the pilots, they messaged me and they need some help on the trippy spin. I'm not going to say that like I'm going to teach you or anything like that. Like I always said, I just want to share my experience on how I learned it and what mistakes that I made during the progression of learning the trippy spin. And I hope that it can help you somehow. Wow. Excuse me for my voice because I have been sick for like a week. It probably sounds like a duck right now. I've been sick a duck, never mind. So sometimes slower means faster. You probably heard that on the internet. It's actually true. Don't skip this part. It can help you to understand the trippy spin a lot faster. You need to understand how the quad and your muscle, your body work in order to learn any things, not just FPV trick, right? So for the physics of the quad, imagine this is the tree. The quad gonna go straight in there and then look up like this and continuing to move around the tree like this. When you look at the video, you're gonna think like, oh, how could the quad be upside down like this? It's not like that. When upside down, it's gonna push the quad down, right? So this time it's gonna go up here, the camera gonna point up into the tree and start spinning like that. For the muscle memory thing, you know, your fingers, your eyes, your lips, even your brain have like storage memories and stuff like that. And when you make a mistake and you keep pushing, your finger gonna record that data into its memory, and you're gonna keep making the same mistake all over again. So when I'm learning a new trick, I'm always trying to break the trick into multiple parts and learn them step by step. And you know, it makes things a lot easier for me, I guess. So in this case, for the trippy spin, I'm gonna break them into 3 parts. More like 3 separate tricks. The first one gonna be the stall, like you stay there, look up and drop the stall. For the first part, just go find a tree that have a branch like that, right? Right? And you go there, look up, cut the throttle, and then go down. When you look up, basically you fly forward, pitch backward, look up, and then pitch forward to catch it. So, like this, going straight there, pitch backward, look up, pitch forward and catch it. You probably could wait for a little bit longer till it about to reach to the ground, but a little bit dangerous though. So, see that? You go up, pitch forward, look up, and pitch backward to catch it. When you're doing the stall like this, it's gonna help you to realize how much space that you have from the branch to the ground. And when you catch your quad, you're gonna learn to control your throttle in case you make some mistake and you need to catch your quad. Keep doing that over and over and over for the whole pack to get used to the feeling that go there, look up, cut the throttle and catch your quad. Keep doing that. Look up, pitch forward to catch it. Look up, pitch forward and catch it. Pitch forward, pitch backward to catch it. See? Oh, my battery dead. The second trick gonna be the boomerang. It's gonna go up like this and go around the tree. When you master the boomerang trick, it's gonna be a lot easier. You're gonna need to adjust a little bit to get the perfect trippy spin. I guess, I don't know how to explain, but you know what I mean, right? And now for the second part, right? The boomerang part. So exactly the same, right? But this time, instead of going straight like that, you add a little bit roll to the right or the left, depending on what you pick. But you go up, you add it to the right like that, catch it. It's gonna move like that, you see, like a boomerang. So, just go there, add a little roll to the right, and you can see it going back that way. Same thing, keep repeating that step. Easy, right? Look up, add a little bit roll to the left or right, my right. So go up, add a little roll to the right. See? So go up, add a little roll to the right and catch it, right? Done. Boom. Now you learn 2 tricks in 1 videos. Now for the most important part. And for the next part, the 3rd part, you're gonna be for complete trippy spin. So for the trippy spin, when you do the boomerang like that, so when you go into the trippy spin on the right, and then you starting to see the quad moving past the tree like this, right? Right at that moment, you add a little bit roll to the opposite side, which is the left, right? See? And try to catch a quad right now. Don't touch anything in the throttle control in the yaw yet. All right, just go in, roll, add a little bit, roll to the left. See, it start moving around the tree. And now, since you rolling into the left, right, you need to counter that by adding a little bit yaw to the right. So you can see my stick movement here. Keep it for a little bit long. Just try to hold that longer and longer every time you approach. And then, as long as you can, if you feel uncomfortable, you just move back, catch your quad. That is why the stall, the first part is important, because you need to learn how to catch your quad, right? So that's it. Now go in, roll, and then start moving. You see, I'm keep holding the stick in the same position. I'm not moving that much. Don't touch your stick too much, because it can, you know, panic. See? Try to hold that for longer and longer. Move back. Right? Just try to catch your quad right when you feel uncomfortable. And then keep holding it. See, I'm feeling uncomfortable, and then I move back, catch my quad. Oh my God, windy. So move in. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Uncomfortable, move back, go, and just go home. I'm scared, mother. Since we already here and I still have a couple packs left, I'm gonna do some freestyle, and probably when I'm in the freestyle, I'm doing the trippy spin. You can figure out something that I have been missed to mention during the making of this video, and I hope that it can help you somehow. Like I always said, if you like the video, enjoy the video, please give me a like, a share, or comment, or subscribe. I don't know, I don't want to ask for too much, but have a good day or night. Peace, brother.